Yo, what is up, all you credit repair business owners? We got something crazy for you. I'm always giving you updates, guys. What we have going on is something nuts. We have Facebook ads going to a messenger bot, going to an appointment center, going to a closer. And after you close them, guys, we ask them for more testimonials. We ask them for testimonials. We ask them for referrals. We ask them specifically for video testimonials to get more business, guys. We have a couple of systems that you can put in place into your credit repair business to really expedite the amount of revenue you get. And guys, it is working, guys, right now. We can iron out all the kinks and it looks perfect. The CRM, oh my gosh, guys. If you guys want to check out more details, make sure you click the link down below where I actually explain the entire process in more detail. Pretty much the entire system it's done for you guys. What we have is, like I said, Facebook ad to a messenger bot. Our appointment center picks up on the messenger bot or it calls them up, sends them over to the closer. The closer closes them for probably usually 20% commission. From there, we put them into they're already in the CRM, and all throughout the entire process, we're constantly sending them emails, text messages, and voicemail drops in over 8 different types of scenarios. This way, they're always accounted for, and you're always maximizing your profits. So guys, if you're interested in any of this, if you're interested in consulting, so I can take what you currently have right now to the next level, interested in consulting, schedule a strategy session with me down below. If you're interested in the CRM, that you can onboard clients while you sleep, schedule a strategy session with me down below. If you're interested in actually this entire credit repair business in the box, you know what to do, schedule a strategy session with me down below. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you comment down below, or maybe you just want to talk to me privately through chat. Facebook.com/NATBLADE. Once again, Facebook.com/NatBlade, NATBLADE. And I'll be more than happy with whatever you need in your business, guys. So like I said, click the link down below, check out that video that has more details, or click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me, and let's elevate your business, guys. I'll see you at the top. Peace out.